Hello everyone. Today on the bench we have this Sony mini disc player recorder. It's NetMD one, and the problem is well known. We do not have working OLED display. So I put in mini disc, it is reading, and let's play. Yep, we have working ND player but no display. There is solution that you can get, and this is it. We will use it. So at first what we have to do is we have to disassemble the device a bit to make that thing working again, yeah? Okay, so let's start that. At first let's remove some screws. What is nice that all of those screws actually are the same size in this place. Yeah. And we have one hidden right over here, and it is not required to remove this lid because it is fragile and you can damage it easily. Then just grab from this side actually, and it should be easily lift up like that. Yeah, like that, and then just put in this direction, and that's it. Next we will have to remove this bracket. So there is one screw, and now this just slides up, as I remember, yeah. Yeah, it is a bit side. Let's work it out. Yeah, like that. Just down, and then there is a clips. You have to like manually remove it, yeah. This is just removable like that. Now the fun part. And it is not fun at all. Yeah. So there we have some screws. Okay, so at first let's remove this one, because it is holding all that bracket right over here. Yeah, and now from what I can see we can go further. So let's remove these two screws also. Now next, let's try to lift up this. It goes out like that. And now the funny part. Buttons out. There we have one screw right over here. Yes, we have to remove it. Yeah. And now all of this should just go out somehow. Now regarding this one, just like that. And we have access to those brackets. Be very gentle. That's it. Okay. I can see another screw right over here. Let's remove this one. And no, it is still not moving anywhere. Let's try to push that button in. Just like this, it should be gone, yeah? Don't be afraid of those buttons, they will go out. We will put those back later. And now this part. Yeah, straight away you can see some burn-ins inside of those. Let's remove this, and we will try to remove them one by one because they are glued in. Yeah, let's use some the same procedure for this one. Damn, it's glued very good. Now we can put those aside and let's grab new part. What we can do, we can remove those, and there is some stickers. Okay. And right now, since this should go right over here, we have to cut some of this bracket off. About something about this. Yeah. Let's remove that one. And it should then bend just like that. Yeah. Good. Now we can put those in. Same on this side. Okay, now before assembling it, let's check if we have working OLEDs. Yeah. Let's just use some battery. Maybe it should be closed. Yeah. No disk. And it is very bright display. Super nice. Okay. Let's remove the battery. Now, before putting anything inside that, I'll just remove some dust that was inside it. Okay. I think it should be alright, yeah. Let's not forget to remove those protective stickers. And just put inside, just like that. Okay, let's put back that screw. Good. Now regarding this place, can put this back. And I have forgot to put those buttons. God damn it. Okay. Okay, now we have to fold this like that, then like this. Let's not forget to put in those buttons. Okay, this will be a bit tricky. Oh my goodness, that's very tedious process actually. It's not so easy, guys. Not so easy at all. From what I can see. Because this spring should go in like that. Now it's fine. And about this part, Now I think we can put this one. Should go inside like this, but not forget to put in those buttons. Come on, you small thing. And the last one goes over here. Let's put this back. Okay, we can connect this part. And then it goes on up like this. And there are some hooks, you know, so those hooks have to be aligned. And just like that. And we can put back the screw. That's it. I think we can check it a bit. Yeah. Mini disc in. Headphones. And let's see. Both displays is visible. Yeah. It looks nice, quite nice actually. Very nice OLEDs. What about stop, play, pause, unpause? Awesome. Okay. Now what we can do more for this unit. Well, and as you have seen, now I will proceed and do cleanup of rails, not rail, but laser sled, laser motor lubrication, and other stuff. I have done that in the previous video, so you can feel free to look at that, and I will put a shortcut into this video description. So we have perfectly aligned that, and then this one will just go in just like that. Hold switch is working, and then the place, yeah. Yes, we can proceed with screws. And that's it. Let's put some headphones. Okay, works just perfectly fine. Okay, so I think that this is gonna be it regarding this device. It looks very nice and also works just perfectly fine. All the settings, all the options now will be, you know, visible actually. Yeah. Disk mode, you can change it right here. Yeah. On, auto off, and so on and so forth. Very nice display actually looking in person. So that will be it regarding this nice MZ RH1. I hope you liked the video. As always, please consider supporting my channel. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Magic. Actually, no magic. Just these stupid things burned out.